this is SAMANTA. Welcome to my channel. I welcome you, and if you want to check more about AWS, please click on the link where I attach the playlist. And if you want to know more about skills, various kind of technology, and which will be beneficial for you in your IT professional career, you can subscribe to my channel where I will regularly update new technical videos. So, in my previous video, I shared you my knowledge on how to connect PuTTY and how to connect EC2 through PuTTY. And that's very important and fundamental, as I told you, because in corporate environment we actually use that in very much, because that's supposed 27, 8, 8.1, 10, every version of Windows. But today what I'm going to show you how to connect to your EC2 instance to SSH. Why SSH? Because SSH is the latest one and is supposed only Windows 10, and yeah, we can expect SSH to be popular in upcoming days. Let's say after 2 to 3 years after later, SSH will be widely popular, because that time every corporate will migrate themselves to Windows 10. So you can understand. So let's go ahead and let's learn it. How to connect SSH? If you are running Windows 10, you go ahead and open your command prompt and type SSH. You can see that this couple of lines where usage of SSH is there, means SSH is installed in your machine. If it is not installed, you will get an error, so you can't proceed further. So if you have SSH installed, please follow along with me. Now, how will you connect to your SSH to your EC2? For that, you have to keep on command SSH I for identity, /I/ you have to give a key name. In my previous lecture, what I did for PuTTY connect also, if you remember, PuTTY gen, I went there and I loaded my key. For here, I have to select a path, because I'm working in my command prompt. I have to give the path. So where can I find the path? This is my PM file which I downloaded while creating my EC2 instance, and I told you guys to save it. So I saved here, and let's go ahead and open it. The open properties, and here you will see the location. You copy it and you paste it here. So I'm giving you the path, and you keep the file name, the PM file name. So give the PEM. So I have given you the key so that you can authenticate yourself and connect to EC2. Now, how will you connect to your server, your EC2 instance? You need the public IP, right? So that you can understand the path, so that you can find your EC2 instance. For public IP, what you need to do, you go ahead and open EC2 console, and I showed you multiple times where you will find that public IP address. So this is the public IP address. You go ahead and copy and paste it here. But just by giving public IP address would not be enough, because if you remember, in my PuTTY also I given the username, because it will try to connect as a username, as a user, that SSH. So for that you have to give EC2/user @public IP address. And please remember guys, EC2/user is constant. You have to use this only for every time. So my command is completed, and I'll have to run it, and you will get that I already connected to EC2 instance. Now, for the first time, you may have to get one prompt where you have to click. You have to type yes, means you are allowing. I already connected before, that's why it directly connected. But for first time, you will prompt it for one more authentication, where you have to type yes for allowing, and then you will get connected. And then also, if you are having problem, then you might not have access to your PM. What does that mean? Means you as an administrator might not have access. You go ahead and properties, and in security it check that your name is in there. Means you have full permission to do anything with this PM key. If you don't have this name, you have to edit it and you have to add it from here, and then only you can connect to this connect to SSH to your machine. And if I ping here, ping, let's say google.com, you will see it's pinging, means I'm connected, and from there I can ping. So that's it for SSH, guys. In my next video I will share my upcoming video. I'll share my some more operation in AWS, and stay tuned for that. And in upcoming days I will share other skill knowledge videos also. For that, you have, please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and if you love my content, give a thumbs up. And thank you, guys. I hope you guys all are safe during this COVID time. Thank you for watching.